everybody, Kevin King with Solar Tools USA. Today we're going to be talking about getting panels on a roof. Traditionally, we've all done it the same way. Panel, ladder, laborer, carrying each panel one at a time. Unless you're one of those lucky companies who has a mobile boom lift that can actually take panels to the roof in one shot, or if you have a solar panel conveyor. Most solar companies don't have that. So, traditional way of doing that is creating a gap under the panels, squatting down, and picking them up. And then from here, we climb the ladder. The downfall of this process that we've all been doing a long time, so our elbow is completely extended, our wrist is bent, our shoulder is twisted. You got weight on your neck here, trying to keep this solar panel from going forward or back. That's what you use this hand for. When you get to the ladder, a good gust of wind, we've all been there, you can pull this thing right out of your hands. If you do give good control of the panel, you don't have good control of the ladder. It's a problem we've all dealt with. Well, here at Solar Tools USA, we fixed that. We've created what we call our panel caddy. You put the flat face of the solar panel caddy on the front of the solar panel, and then you close the top. It allows the pressure, when the handle's pushed up, to squeeze the flat face of this, which distributes the weight, so it does not create any due pressure on the cells. And this side of the tool actually crimps along the frame of the panel, so all the pressure is up here on the frame. This portion of the tool is only designed to keep the panel from sliding out if pressure comes off. Got that pressure on it, squat in. Elbow is nice, straight, ergonomic. There's no undue pressure on the shoulder. Your wrist is straight up and down. And full control of that solar panel. Wind comes, nothing bad's happening with that. So this is the Solar Panel Caddy from Solar Tools USA. Amazing tool, makes the process easier, safer, and a hell of a lot quicker.